Hello guys, you are welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis, and today we would be looking at YEARN Finance, currently ranked 144, and I would be giving you all the latest cryptocurrency analysis and price predictions right for YEARN Finance. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Right, remember, it's the altcoin doctor here, bringing you the latest analysis, price predictions and trades on your favorite coin. So if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, and without further ado, let us move over to the chart. Right, so we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD dollars. We are on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source. Right, and as you can see right here, we have all our levels right here for YFI, and we love to have these levels because we said our prices always respect these key levels. So as you can see, every time we pumped into a key level, we dumped right exactly into key levels. So prices always expect or always respect their key levels. And one of the things we also could see right is that this is what we call our EMA. Right, so these are EMAs. This is the 200 EMA, and this is the 80 right down to the 10 EMA. And one of the things we would notice was that every single time our prices was below the 200 EMA, we were bearish, and as you can see, we have been pushing to the downside, especially for YFI. So every single time prices was below this 200 EMA, we were bearish, and as you can see, prices have been pushing. But currently for YFI, we have just seen a flip. Our prices have just seen a flip above the 200 EMA. Right, a flip above the 200 EMA is very bullish, as we could see prices push to the upside even for YFI in the medium to long term. Right, so minimum we should be expecting, right, is a push to this upside, which is right down here at the 8,176 level. So these are the next targets we are expecting for YFI. As we said, the trend is bullish every single time prices come above the 200 EMA. As you can see, we have been bearish for the past 1 month as prices were below the 200 EMA, and we have seen prices push to the downside. Currently, we have seen prices push above the 200 EMA, which is very bullish right here for YFI, and so hence we should be expecting a push to the upside exactly at the $8,176 level. So that is what we should be expecting for YFI, a push of about how many percent? Right, a push of about 23% is what we should be expecting in the next few days, as we have just flipped bullish right on our trend indicator. So this is very bullish right for YFI. So if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.